This is the underglow knob. So this is blue, and we can blend in some red. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Truman Show channel. Today we're taking our 2000s Civic SI for a quick rip. This thing has all of the mods you want on a Civic. It has sloppy shifter, it has slow engine, it also has a massive hole in the exhaust, which makes it just hilarious. Just hilarious to drive. I really just wanted to give you guys a first-person view and experience what this thing's all about, this puppy. Ooh, yeah. Oh, it has air that blows, but is it cold? No. It is another lovely day here in Southern Ontario. 31 degrees, or for my American friends, a different number, which I don't know. So many Civics on the road when you're driving a Civic. It's like that GTA 5 thing where you pick up a supercar and then all the cars are that exact car. Look at that, look at that. It's the same model Civic right here in front of us. Except this is an SI, baby. This thing purrs. As the horse purr. Oh yeah. This thing is obnoxiously loud. Oh yeah, see what I mean? Another Civic. It's smoking out of the exhaust too. I hope you can see that. Told you, man, you drive one of these bad boys and they're just everywhere. Buddy's ripping. What did I say? I totally called it. Totally called it. We'll see how many more we see. I'm sure that won't be our last. I feel like this is one of those cars where if you see people looking at you or you hear people laughing or something, even though you're having a good time and you're laughing, you just know they're laughing at you and not with you. I feel like even I'm following closer than I usually do, being more obnoxious and loud with the exhaust. I feel like that's just how this thing needs to be driven though. I suppose we should take this time to go over a couple of the key features in this car. First and foremost, we have a steering wheel. It has the Honda logo on it. It also is an airbag and a horn, so that's pretty cool. Over here we got some buttons. They had words on them, but they're mostly rubbed off now at this point. If we look to our right in the car, we'll see we have a radio in the middle here. That works. Yeah, it doesn't sound great, but it works. Off to the left, sort of almost like a Supra cockpit style, where really the passenger doesn't have a lot of options to, not a lot of buttons to press. All the controls are on the driver's side, so it's basically a sports car. It is an SI after all, so we got some controls for the vents. We have this one, that one, and then two others, or maybe three others. Over here we have a little selector knob with some cool colors on it. I can only assume this is the underglow knob. So this is blue, and we can blend in some red, and then we can go full red. Over here we have the fan. Now the fan is for the interior of the car, but why would you need that when you got the windows down, right? all the better to hear this thing with. Wow, the steering is sloppy and all over the place, but hey, this big old steering wheel really makes it easy for me to, you know, hold on, get a good grip. Once we start going fast in this thing, you're really gonna want that. Continuing on, we have a gear selector right here. This is in fact a 5-speed, very JDM. We have an ashtray down here. Oh, I stand corrected. That is in fact 2 cup holders, very well hidden. Really cleans up the interior, right? Look at that. It's so sleek and modern and very sporty, I'd say, with that, especially with this very real carbon fiber looking plastic. So that's, you know, that's something there for sure. Oh, here we go. Some guy in his little sports car, eh? Little does he know. He doesn't want this. He doesn't want this. He can't handle it. Can't handle it at all. Wow. Oh my God. Check engine light permanently on. It's a sign of a quality motor. Check engine light on and it's still running. You just can't beat that kind of reliability. Downshift the second. Throw it in. And gas, gas, gas. Woohoo! Downshift the fourth. Really take it easy. This guy up here, he's hauling ass. Giving the Civic a run for his money. All right, here we go. Come on, Civic. Third gear. Casually sitting at about 3,500 RPM at 110 kilometers an hour, like under normal highway speeds. Oh, there's a Ferrari back there. Can you guys see that? Holy shit. Oh, we gotta give this guy a couple revs as he goes by, eh? Look at this thing, holy. Woohoo! Oh yeah, just totally embarrassing myself in the Civic right now. That is a sweet car though. Yeah, we could have beat him. Probably. What am I saying probably? Of course we could have beat him. This is an SI. SI stands for super fast.